Hello everyone, myself Garima. This session is for GNM second year and the topic is acute bronchitis. Firstly, we will discuss introduction to anatomy of lower respiratory tract parts. The lower respiratory tract includes trachea, bronchi, alveoli and diaphragm. First is trachea. Trachea is also known as windpipe. It is a tube which carries air from throat into the lungs. It ranges from 20 to 25 mm in diameter and 10 to 16 cm in length. The inner membrane of trachea is covered with tiny hair called cilia which catch particles of dust that are removed through coughing. Second is bronchi. The trachea divides into two tubes called bronchi, one entering the left and the other entering the right lung. Once inside the lung, the bronchi split to form tertiary bronchi. Then third is alveoli. Alveoli are hollow cavities contained within alveolar sacs or ducts. Alveoli have very thin walls which permit exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. They are surrounded by a network of capillaries into which the inspired gases pass. There are approximately 3 million alveoli within an adult lung. Then fourth is diaphragm. The diaphragm is a broad band of muscle which lies underneath the lungs, attaching to the lower ribs, sternum and lumbar spine and forming the base of the thoracic cavity. Now the introduction of acute bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is a lower respiratory tract disorder in which there is an inflammation of one or more bronchi, and it is a febrile illness which is characterized by dry cough and wheezing. In this image you are seeing the healthy bronchi and inflamed bronchi. Then incidence rate, it occurs especially in children less than 4 years of age and it is usually associated with previous upper respiratory infection. Etiology, acute bronchitis may be bacterial or viral in origin. The viruses commonly associated with bronchitis are adenovirus, respiratory syncytial virus, rhinovirus. Acute bronchitis may also occur with communicable diseases like pertussis, measles, diphtheria, and typhoid. The bacteria Mycoplasma pneumonia may cause acute bronchitis, especially in school age children, and bronchitis may also be caused by physical or chemical agents like dust, allergens, strong fumes, etc. Clinical features of acute bronchitis include runny nose, usually before cough starts, then malaise, chills, fever, back and muscle pain, sore throat, wheezing. In the earlier stages of condition, the child may experience a dry, non-productive cough which progresses to excessive mucus-filled cough. The symptoms of acute bronchitis usually last for 7 to 14 days. Diagnostic evaluation of acute bronchitis include history collection, physical examination, and the following tests may help in diagnosis. First is chest auscultation and chest x-ray. Now the management includes administration of antibiotics, cough expectorant, antipyretic medicines to relieve fever, steam inhalation. Thank you.